So let's say we're solving the phone number forming question in Edabit. So the question reads, to create a method that takes an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 and returns a string of those numbers as a phone number. So in the examples, they have a integer of numbers, and then it gets formatted as a string as the output. So for the code, we have a integer of numbers and returning a string. So we're off with a string of numbers. And this will be where the string will get formatted and returned. So next, a for loop, which will go through the integer. And we'll check if the I is at the 0, then we'll add the following code. So add one of these singular brackets as seen at the very start. And then the next part, not if equal to 3 now. Now the code will do the other part. And the last part would be adding up the dash symbol and adding this part. So now that we have all the code set up, and then simply return the numbers string.